Well, in a big win for the Gujarat government, the centre has given its nod to raise the height of the Narmada Dam by 17 metres. While BJP leaders in the state are celebrating the decision that has been delivered after 8 years, Narmada Bachao Andolan activists are fuming.
Well, absolutely. They claim that this move will displace over 2.5 lakh people. And Shiv, I can tell you, I was in Madhya Pradesh last year. Already lakhs of people have been displaced by this project, and rehabilitation, unfortunately, has only happened on paper. So while this is being made out to be, a farmers versus development issue, it's really an issue about humanity and giving people the due rehabilitation before, in fact, the height of the dam is raised. This is going to lead to a lot of protest in the country, I can tell you. Here's a full report.
After 8 long years, the Gujarat government gets the nod given to raise the Narmada Dam height. The Narmada Control Authority, authorized in the year 2000 by the Supreme Court to take a call on the proposal to raise the height of the dam, gave the green signal in a meeting with the Union Water Resources Ministry, raising the dam height by 17 metres.
આપણી વર્ષો જૂની માગણી યુપીએ સરકાર સામે હતી, પરંતુ તેઓ આપણને સતત અન્યાય કરતા રહ્યા હતા અને આજે નર્મદા ડેમના દરવાજાની પરમિશન આપણને મળી ગઈ છે.
सोशल जस्टिस का मंत्रालय है, उन्होंने जो व्यवस्थापकों को स्थापित करने के कार्य के प्रति 100% संतोष व्यक्त किया और उसमें नर्मदा कंट्रोलिंग अथॉरिटी ने उसको स्वीकार करते हुए इसकी हाइट बढ़ाने की मंजूरी दी है. इसके अलावा इस विषय पर बोलने का मेरा काम नहीं.
A fuming Narmada Bachao Andolan activist Medha Patkar called the decision undemocratic.
It is violation of everything. The law and order and the democratic procedures as well.
According to the NBA, there are about 250,000 people residing in the Sardar Sarovar project's emergence area in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Their livelihood would be submerged by raising the dam height and closing the gates.
There are 2.5 lakh people in the submergence area of Sardar Sarovar. The present height of the dam, which is 122 meters, could not have been raised even by an inch, while now they are saying they have taken a decision.
But for the BJP, it is time to celebrate their victory. The Congress, meanwhile, has questioned the swift decision taken days after Narendra Modi became Prime Minister. The move by the centre to allow the dam height to be raised and gates to be installed might have just opened up a floodgate of protests. With Kamlesh Sutar, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.